Hey guys, and welcome back to another new in video. If you guys aren't familiar with these videos, basically I do them every month and I run through the top beauty launches coming out this month. My favourite ones that I think are worth your time and attention. There are so many launches coming out left, right and centre all the time that I feel like I really enjoy doing these videos so that I can pass on to you guys the products that I think are worth taking a look at. So, this month seems to be all about multi-use, multi-benefit products. Maybe that's just what I'm drawn to at this time of year, but it seems like there are a few more launches heading that way as well. I think when travel is involved and like summer holidays and things like that, it's always a plus point as well because you can have one product instead of numerous products. Squidge is joining us for this video. Thanks, Squidge. You just sit there. Good girl. So, without further ado, starting off with a skincare product. I've actually been using this for a couple of months now and I love it. It's firmly rooted in my makeup bag slash wash bag. And it's new from Elizabeth Arden. It's the Great 8 hour Daily Defense Moisturiser with broad spectrum SPF 35. Like I said, I've had this for a couple of months. I had the pleasure and I was exceptionally lucky to be able to get my hands on this a couple of months before it came out. And it is really, really wonderful. As the name would suggest, it's part of the 8 hour family, but it's not like 8 hour cream. If you guys use or have used 8 hour cream, you know it's very heavy, it's quite greasy. This is a daily moisturiser and it has a really lovely SPF 35. It's not greasy, it's not heavy, it's super lightweight. It claims to have 8 different benefits, that's why it's called Great 8. Strangely enough, they're actually not listed on the back of here. So the 8 benefits, I'm going to have to read them out because I cannot remember them all in one line, is obviously SPF, it protects against pollution, infrared, blue light, hydrates, brightens, purifies, and controls oil. And the texture of this is really lightweight, like I said, so it's perfect underneath moisturiser. I've been using this daily as my moisturiser slash primer slash SPF, and it really is a very good kind of all-round product if you're looking for a kind of one and done in your skincare routine for that kind of covering all your bases on that front. This is really good. It's £36 and it's just come out. Another product that's similar to that but for the hair is from Hershesons. Now, Hershesons are very well known for their blow dries, for their salons and hair extensions and like the plaited hairbands, things like that. But they've launched this product and it's called the Almost Everything Cream. For a start, the packaging is really standout, and I think having all the same colour cap and bottle makes you really look at this product and think, oh, that looks interesting. But it is also actually quite an interesting product too because it kind of claims to cover all your bases when it comes to cream products for your hair. So it claims to be a primer, a shine booster, a frizz fighter, a texturizer, a tamer. I mean, taming and frizz fighting, kind of the same thing. A curl definer, a conditioner and a mask. Now, I've used this as a primer and it works really nicely. I've used it as a texturizer and it works really nicely. I've used it as a curl definer and it works really nicely. In terms of a styling product, I really like it. The one thing I haven't used this for is conditioning, apart from like a leave-in conditioner, which it works well as, but as a conditioner on wet hair or a mask, I haven't used this. And I don't plan to because of the size. I've got a lot of hair and I feel like a 50ml product, I would get through this too quickly in terms of it being a mask. But I'm really a big fan of the product itself. It smells incredible. It smells very, very similar to the All Bay products, which are crazy expensive. This is £10 for 50ml. So it's a really good price point. It performs really well. And I really like the concept of, hey, you don't actually need a ton of hair products to do each different job, but this can kind of do most things. So what it does say on the packaging is that it's not a hairspray, it won't give you hold, so you probably still need a hairspray if you want to curl your hair. And I find I would still use a texturizing spray, a hairspray, and this. But apart from that, it really does do a good job of doing lots of different jobs. So really impressed with that, and I really like the packaging as well. And then there's a palette from NARS, which there's actually 2 colourways of this. This is the lighter one, I believe. This is called the Summer Lights palette. There's a darker one as well. But this is such a brilliant multi-use palette. And I would say for the summer, but really for year round, depending on what kind of colourways you like to use. But it's got a really lovely kind of creamy bronzer. It's got a deeper highlighter, which is perfect for that kind of like bronzy summer look. And then it's got 4 warm tones that you can either use as contour, obviously the shimmering one you can't, but you could definitely use this as a bronzer or highlighter on darker skin tones, or you can use them on your eyes. So really, really nice kind of multi-use product, and that comes in 2 tones as well, like I said. That is out this month, really, really nice. And then another multi-use product that I really like is new from Giorgio Armani. They've released this selection of lip and cheek pencils. So these are called colour sketchers, and they're basically retractable, fairly thin crayons. I was surprised by how narrow these are, considering they're made to use on your lips and cheeks. They're almost like what you would expect an eye pencil to be like, but they're really, really lovely, and again, a really good one for this time of year, or if you're traveling a lot and trying to streamline your makeup bag, because you can use them on your cheeks and on your lips, and they come in a really nice range of colours from nude to really deep plum. Obviously they don't have the bright kind of reds in terms of putting on your cheek, because they're all quite sheer in terms of like washing them out and blending them, but they do actually have some brighter colours in the selection. This is my favourite, which is sepia. As the name would suggest, it's a very neutral, slightly pinky, but something about it is quite cool toned, pink kind of mauvey colour. Really nice. I've got this on my cheeks now, but actually not on my lips, because I put it on my lips before I put something on my lips before I put it on my cheeks. But it's a really nice way of kind of blending or making your makeup look more coherent with the rest of your face as well. So if you have the same kind of tone on your lips as your cheeks, it really kind of brings everything together. So these are out now, and they are £31. So kind of pricey for a pencil, but again, you're getting 2 different uses out of one product, and it's very compact, so perfect if you want it for your handbag or you want to streamline your makeup bag. Really, really good option. And then last but not least is not a multi-use product, but it is a really cool charity product that they launch every year that I wanted to talk about. It's the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. This is their kind of Pride Month launch. It is in collaboration with MTV Staying Alive Foundation, which helps to combat the spread of HIV and AIDS, and it's also specifically targeted at the LGBTQ community as well. For Pride Month, £5 from every pot goes to that charity, and it's one of those things like Ultra Facial Cream is a staple kind of cult product. If you use it, if you buy this anyway, why not buy this one and then give £5 to charity? So yes, that is coming out this month as well, and if you use this product on a daily basis, then definitely stock up whilst it's a charity collaboration. That is it for new in July. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There have been lots of cool new products out this month that I think really help streamline your makeup bag, and I really like that. I'm all for the dual use. I hope you guys have a fantastic July, and I will see you very soon. I'm hoping to film a kind of outfit video when I'm away, like holiday outfits. I'm going on holiday. I'm actually going away today to my sister's for a few days, but I'm going on holiday in a few days, and I'm hoping to film like a outfit of the day compilation from the week. So expect that coming very soon, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.